Hi guys, I got my new Nature Box. Haven't ordered Nature Box in a while, but I decided to try back again after a few months of stopping my shipment. So I needed a little break from it. But now I'm back with Nature Box again. Basically with Nature Box you get 5 natural snacks. Healthy / natural snacks, supposed to be natural. And you pay $19.99 or $19.95 a month actually for this box of nature snacks. And I'm going to show you what I got in this box this month. This month they sent me a little bit more because I got back on it. I had canceled for a little bit, but they gave me extra because I decided to come back with them, so they gave me extra, which was a bonus. And in this box they gave me, you can see it's a lot of snacks in here. And they gave me Nature Box, gave me sweet and salty nut melody. And I also got honey Dijon pretzels. And I also got nutty power clusters. And some sea salt cassava chips. And the last thing is some hard bite lightly salted Beets Chips. That's the one I want to try because it's a new product that they have out. And if you don't want to pay $20, you can also buy these snacks individually, if that's what you feel like doing. If you don't want to buy $19.99 one, which I do, it's better for me. And they ship it. Depends on, like, every month they have a ship date, and usually get it around the same month every ship date. So mine usually come like towards the middle of the month. Every time in the middle of the month I get a new shipment. And then they warn you ahead of time that your pantry is about to be shipped soon, and you get to choose what you want to put in your pantry. That's what I like about Nature Box. They don't choose snacks for you. Like, some of them will choose the snacks for you, and some of the snacks I don't like when people choose for me. So I like Nature Box because you can choose the snacks that you like. And first thing I got, I'm going to show you, these are the Dropping Mad Beets Chips. This is a new snack item that I always wanted to try, and I got this. So I always wanted to try this. I'll show it for you guys what it looks like. And then this is what the chips look like. You guys can see it. And I'm going to try one. And these are good chips. They're good. Let me see what it says on it. Oh, they use beets, and they use sunflower oil, canola oil, and sea salt for these. So, okay, we know beets aren't everyone's to-go vegetable, and not the biggest hit on the meal planning playlist. So we're taking the undervalued veggie and transfer them into a totally tasty treat. Everyone loves beets. And these are good chips. Next thing I got is some sea salt cassava chips. I love cassava chips. So I actually got 2 of these. And these are my favorites. Cassava and Yuca is the same thing. And I grew up on cassava because my parents come from a Spanish country, and they eat cassava all the time. Let me show you what the chips look like. And this is what they look like. Close up, close up. This is saying it's called Cassava Yuca. Whatever you want to call it. These chips simply are delicious. Each cassava is hand-picked, cut crisp to perfection, and sprinkled with sea salt in small batches. With less fat and 3 times the fiber, it has less fat and 3 times the fiber as regular potato chips. And they are pretty irresistible. This they use cassavas, vegetable oil, and some sea salt. To use with this one. And there's some chips that I know I ain't gonna eat. I'm giving them away because I don't eat those. This is a sweet and salty nut melody. Let's see what this is. It's new to me. I never had this one. And it says, one day a nut was walking down the street. It was salted. This is why nut needs to stick together like these delicious sweet and salty melody. Just as melody would not complete without several big jazz hand numbers strung after one another, this snack would not be complete until the delicious snack of almonds, cashews, and peanuts, plus a hint of sea salt and sugar mixed together. This has peanuts, milk, and tree nuts. If you can't eat peanuts, it's not will be a good thing for you. Honey roasted peanuts. It has sugar cane, butter, honey, salt, peanuts, almond, cashews, peanut oil, and salt. I'll open this one up. I'm not really a peanut person, but I'll just try it. I like peanut butter, but I just don't really like peanuts. But you can see it comes with this is the peanut. And you also have, let me see what else is in there. Got cashew. And almond. These are good. Surprisingly, these are good. It's like a sweet, peanuts with a sweet taste to them. These are good. I may get this again. This one's good. And the next thing we have in here is some nut clusters. This right here, I won't open this. I'll give this away to somebody. These are nuts that I can't stand. It has walnuts in there, and I don't like walnuts. It's nut squares with walnuts, almonds, and cashews, it says. It has walnut, almonds, cashews, organic rice syrup, sugar cane, pumpkin seeds, crisp rice pearls, rice flour, crisp rice, brown rice, and sea salt. And you can see they're like little clusters of nuts, and I don't eat these, so I'm giving these away. So I'm not going to open these up. There's someone else that would like to spend more than I do. Next thing we got is, they gave me a surprise snack. This is the surprise snack. They gave me some Jalapeño Cashews. I'm going to open it up. Let you guys see what it looks like. I want to see if it tastes hot. And this is what it looked like, guys. I'm trying one. Okay. It just tastes like jalapeno flavored cashews. That's it. That's what it tastes like. It's okay. Just a little spicy, but it's okay. It says cashews, jalapeno season. They use onion powder, green bell peppers, garlic powder. And this is it right here. The next snack, oops, that was falling down. And the last snack I got is these honey Dijon pretzels. And I'm giving these away to somebody. Because I don't like Dijon flavor. I like pretzels. I love pretzels, but I don't like those Dijon mustard. Don't like it. Don't like the flavors. And this is what it is. And it's just pretzels with Dijon mustard seasoning in the dry form. And that's what I got in this month's Nature Box for the month of December. And these are the snacks that I choose for my box. You can choose whatever you want for your box. If you decide you want to place an order with Nature Box, but this is the box. And that's my review for this month. If I get it again next month, I'll review it next month. If I get different snacks next month, I'll review it. But these are my snacks. And thanks for watching. If you guys want to get a Nature Box, you guys can go to www.naturebox.com and get yourself a Nature Box. And that's it. Thanks for watching.